Good afternoon, good day, good everything. I'm back with another video. So today, as requested, again, not really requested, but a few people voted on this, I'm going to be doing a vegan chocolate chip recipe tutorial. I've been trying to learn how to do vegan desserts. So today I'm going to try chocolate chip cookies, and the recipe is in the description. So the recipe calls for all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, fine salt, which is just regular salt, dark chocolate chips, which is vegan chocolate chips, sugar, light or dark brown sugar, a neutral oil, and water. So first you're going to combine some of the dry ingredients such as the flour, the baking soda, whatever, the baking powder, whatever it's called, and the salt. So as you see, I'm pouring in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I let the ancestors guide me right here, because Lord knows I don't know how many. I don't want no teaspoon, a tablespoon, none of that. I just want to boom boom. Look, you feel me? The ancestors. I'm gonna let them guide the correct amount into the spoon. So afterwards, I put in 1 1/4 a cup of vegan chocolate chips. I got these from Amazon. You can get them at any local store. I don't know why they wanted this amount of chocolate chips in there. They said you will eat chocolate or die. I'm just gonna listen to the recipe. I don't really know why it's all that in there, but I threw it. I said, boom. I already said you want chocolate. I'll put it in there. So there you go. Afterwards, I put 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. You can also put dark brown, and then just a cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup, same amount. Afterwards, I put in the neutral oil. I chose canola oil, but you can use any oil that doesn't have a taste. So obviously you can't put avocado oil because it has an avocado hint, but just anything that doesn't have a taste. And then water. And then you mix them boys up. Boom, 1, 2. You feel me? It's a little crumbly, so you got to make sure you get it right. And then that's the mixture at the end. Then you combine the two and then mix those together. The people who made this recipe are really on a different wavelength, because they want you to put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours before you bake it. So I did so. I obliged. And 24 hours and some change later, I took it out, and the mixture was really, really crumbly. It kind of made me sick. So essentially, I had to use my hands to mold the cookies together. They originally wanted you to scoop it with an ice cream scoop, but that was not happening. And then that is the end result. So they're a little thick, but when I tasted it, it was good. It was definitely good. They advertise as the best cookie on the planet. I think that's cap, but it's definitely a good first cookie to make if you're vegan. You will definitely enjoy it. It will definitely satisfy your cravings. So see you guys next time on Baking with Whitney, and let me know your thoughts on the video.